What's up, everybody? Today I am going to show you how to make a little citrus pu'er tea by using this conventional coffee machine with those paper filters. So let's start by taking this one out. Then we place this little citrus ball at the center of the filter tray. And we remove the lid, set it aside, and make sure it sits right underneath the water dispenser so the hot water can flow through it. By the way, there is a hole on the bottom of this little citrus ball, so the hot water will flow right through it and brew the tea. Here are some extra tea. Okay, we start the button, then we are ready to go. Well, as you can see, we have brewed at least 10 cups of tea by using this little citrus pu'er tea bowl. And I am pretty sure it will be good for another 4 to 6 cups. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.